a menchicaboo, a bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together, and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
So hey guys, I'm doing my farmer pasta, so I'm adding salt to the water. I am adding 2 boxes of pasta. It's usually 1, but it's for a family size. So right here, I'm adding some pancetta that you could buy it at the supermarket. So you have to make sure that it's nice, toasty, and brown. So you're gonna put it off to the side, take it out of the pan, and you will come back for it later. You will cut up some garlic, so make sure not to be kissing anybody later because your breath is gonna stink. Right here, you're gonna add some basil and some parsley. I usually buy it from the supermarket in the little boxes because it already comes measured, so you just wash it and you cut it up into pieces and put it to the side for later. Right here, you're gonna smash up some garlic. So it should look like this, and you're gonna put it off to the side. So you don't want the pasta completely cooked because you're gonna put it in the oven, so you take it out after 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Make sure that the pan is hot when you add the oil. You're gonna add more garlic and make sure it gets toasted before you add any. Right here, we're gonna have half a cup of flour to get it toasty. We're gonna add about 7 cups of whole milk, and we're gonna stir it because if not, it's gonna get clumpy. Make sure to stir it until the milk becomes thick. Right here, I'm shredding some mozzarella cheese. And then I'm moving on to my provolone cheese. We're adding the 2 kinds of cheese. Right here we add more cheese, fontina and Parmesan cheese. We stir the cheese until it melts completely. Now for the fun part. We start with a little pasta and then we just throw everything in. Look how good that looks. Yum, yum, yum. Right here is the fun part. We enter the pancetta into the pasta. Oh, look how good that is. Yummy. Right here, we bring up the basil and the parsley and we stir it all up. For the breadcrumb, I use half of the can. I add the smashed garlic that we put away, stir it up, the dry ingredients, and then I coat it with olive oil until everything is coated. Now for my favorite part, spread that pasta. Yes, so good. Look how beautiful it looks. Can't wait. Right here, we give the pasta a little makeover with the breadcrumb, making sure that every part is covered with breadcrumb. Look how beautiful it's looking. We take a little sneak peek and take out the pasta. Look how beautiful it's looking. So this is the final piece. Look how beautiful it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me. Bye.
Sabiendo que eso conmigo no va, ya no va. Ahora solo quiero salir con mi propio squad.